Welcome to Learn English for Life.
Hey Jack, are you doing something?
Not really. Tell me, is there anything important?
Yes, I needed your help to search some old newspapers from our college library. Please, can you come along?
Sure, let's go. Why do you need the old newspapers?
I am working on a social science project and I need some information, which I will be getting in the old newspaper from the year 2020.
Okay, no worries. We will find it. I will check here in these shelves and you check the other side shelves.
Okay, sounds perfect. What happened, Jack? All of a sudden, you started sneezing so much. Is everything all right? Come here and sit.
This place is very dusty. It has aggravated my allergy, and that is the reason I am sneezing so much.
Come this way near the window. You will get some fresh air over here. Don't worry, you will feel better.
It's quite better here.
Good. However, I didn't actually get you. I mean, you are having an allergy. Allergy of what?
Yes, I have a dust allergy.
What? You have a dust allergy. But, you were fine few minutes back in the campus and now all of a sudden you started sneezing. How?
Dust makes me sick, therefore, I avoid going to places which are dusty. And if I go to a place which is very dusty, then my allergy gets aggravated and I feel breathless.
Oh, you are suffering from dust allergy. That means this dusty library must be killing you right now.
Technically, you are correct.
Oh my God, I am extremely sorry, Jack. I did not know about this. I would have never asked you to come along with me here if I would have had even slightest idea of all this.
Don't feel sorry, Lena. It's all right.
But I am still confused. Earlier I never saw you this way suffering with any allergies. When did this happen?
Honestly, it was all my fault.
How?
In winter vacation, I was in Lahore. I was there for almost 1 month, roaming everywhere, to collect information and pictures for my project, and that time Lahore was under dust storm, which unfortunately affected my health.
Oh. That was quite tragic.
True, I noticed this when I came back. I visited my family doctor, and after many tests and examinations, he informed that I am suffering from a dust allergy.
Oh, in that case then we should leave from here before it gets more worse.
That's not necessary, as I have a quick solution for it.
Quick solution? What is it, if I may ask you? Maybe we should leave this place.
Not that.
So what's it?
I have a dust mask, which I carry always with me while going out of the house. My doctor has told me to keep it always with me for a safety, whenever I step out of the house.
Thank God, you have a dust mask.
I always carry it to avoid any such unexpected allergy attack.
Oh, I see. Please wear immediately.
I feel really better. It's true that prevention is better than cure.
I agree. Sorry once again, and next time, I will surely keep in mind.
Thanks. Now come on, let's finish the work for what we have come here to this dusty library.
Yes, I totally forgot about the old newspapers. Let's find it and go back from here. I have to complete my project and submit at the earliest.
Okay.
So Todd, you live in Japan. Do you see your family often?
Yes. I see them often. I see them usually once a year, but I write to them often, and I call them sometimes.
Okay. And when you see them, do you go to the United States to visit them, or do they come to Japan?
I go to America, and then everyone goes to my mom's house, and everybody meets me at my mom's house, which is nice. I see my sister, and we talk a lot, and it's good.
Does your mother miss you?
Yes. She misses me and I miss her a lot, so it's very nice to see her, and also, I miss my dad. I miss him a lot, so I'm always happy to see him.
Nice. What about your sister? When you are in the United States, do you have some activities you like to do together?
Yeah, sometimes we do stuff together. Maybe I will meet her at a cafe, or I will go shopping with her, so we do something fun each time I go back.
Nice.
Also, when I go home, I see my best friend, and that's always nice. I usually meet him for dinner, and of course I call him, and it's always nice to see my best friend. How about your family?
Well, since I live in Japan, I also call them and write them, but usually, we only Skype about once a month.
Oh. So, who do you Skype with the most, your mom or your dad?
I Skype the most with my father, because he wakes up very early, so his time and his schedule match my schedule. So it is easy for us to Skype.
Do you call him or does he call you?
I usually call him, but sometimes he calls me. Usually, if he calls me, it's because I have not called in a long time.
Oh. So sometimes, you make him mad.
A little angry.
Right. That's nice.
But
You have a brother too, right?
I do have a brother, and I call him less frequently, because he is so busy with his job. So we speak about once or twice a month, by messages or by phone.
Oh, that's nice. Do you follow your family on social media?
Yes. I use Facebook.
Oh, I use it too.
It is a really easy way to keep in contact with them.
Yeah, I agree. What about other social media? Do you use Twitter?
No. I don't use Twitter, and I don't use other social media either, only Facebook.
Ah, that's good, I think. Too much is too bad.
I agree, but I do love Facebook, because I can speak with my brother, and my mother, and my father anytime.
So, with Facebook, do you check it every day?
I do check it every day. Maybe it's a bad habit, but I do like to check it every day. Do you check your Facebook every day?
Not every day. I check it maybe 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Yeah, I don't use it much, and I don't use it on my phone.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. I like my free time.
Do you use other social media, such as Twitter or Instagram?
I do use Twitter, but I don't use it on my phone. I only use it on the computer.
Okay. What about Instagram?
Oh, I don't use it at all. Do you use it?
No, I don't use it.
Oh, that's right. You only use Facebook.
I only use Facebook.
Oh, interesting. Well, that's nice that we can talk to our family on Skype and Facebook, because Japan is so far from America.
Yes, and I think they are very happy too.
Yeah, I think they are happy.